The sunflower, scientifically known as Helianthus annuus, is one of the most iconic and recognizable plant in the world. Native to North America, it has a long and fascinating history that spans thousands of years and mainly cultures. The name sunflower comes from flower's unique trait of heliotropism. Young blooms turn to follow the movement of sun across the sky. This characteristic combined with its large, bright yellow petals and tall, strong stalks and made the sunflower as a symbol of adoration, loyalty and longevity. Sunflowers were first domesticated around 3000 BCE. Indigenous people of North America, particularly in present-day Mexico and the United States, these early cultivators used the plant not just for its aesthetic beauty but also for practical purposes. The seeds were ground into flour for bread, eaten as snack, or pressed for oil. Every part of the plant had a use. Stalks were used as building material, while the flower and seeds were used for dyes and medical purposes. Over time, sunflowers were introduced to Europe by Spanish explorers in the 16th century, where they quickly gained popularity for their ornamental and agricultural value. The sunflower belongs to the Asterias family, the same botanical group that includes daisies, chrysanthemums, and asters. Its large flower head is actually composed of many smaller flowers called florets. The outer florets resemble petals and are sterile, while the inner disc florets mature into seeds. Sunflower can grow to impressive heights, often exceeding 10 feet, with some varieties reaching over 15 feet under optimal conditions. Their growth is influenced by sunlight, water, and soil condition, and they thrive in well-drained, fertile soils under full sun exposure. One of the sunflower's most valuable contributions to agriculture is the oil-rich seeds. Sunflower oil is a popular cooking oil known for its light taste and high level of vitamin E and unsaturated fats. In recent decades, sunflower oil has also become a major component in cosmetics and biofuels, further expanding the plant's economic importance. Countries like Ukraine, Russia, Argentina, and United States are among the top producers of sunflower oil and globally. Modern sunflower breeding has resulted in many varieties from giant-headed oilseed types and the smaller ornamental ones used as garden and floral arrangements. Genetic research has also explored improving resistance to drought, pest and disease, ensuring that sunflowers continue to thrive in diverse environments. Today, the sunflower continues to captivate people around the world, whether grown for food, oil, or simply their beauty. Sunflowers remain a testament to nature's ingenuity and humanity's ability to cultivate and celebrate life in all its form. Their towering presence and vibrant color not only brighten fields but also inspire hearts, making them a cherished plant into both agriculture and culture.